In today's video, we're gonna be why are you locking? I'm right here. Hey, come on. Don't let them know that we're amateurs over here, okay? Anyways, today we're talking about the Vitopal VM-i2 and how this is gonna help you start your YouTube channel just using your phone. And this can even help you improve your TikToks and your Zoom meetings with people that hopefully you like. Yeah, let's talk about the VM-i2. All right, we're gonna open it together. So, just a quick disclaimer, they sent this to me for free, but it doesn't mean that I'm gonna say good things about this, unless I actually like it. I'm not getting paid to say anything about this. I have this. The box is actually kind of nice. It's similar to the texture of the Rode mic. If that makes any difference, I mean, it's just packaging. But what's nice is it comes with a soft shell like this. It comes in a case. Even if you don't use it for the Vitopal VM-i2, you can probably use this for something else, which I'm probably gonna do. Let's open it together. Right here, right off the bat, here in the mesh pouch, there's two cables for your smartphones and for your cameras, and which I think is really nice because some of the more expensive microphones don't come with these, and some even don't have detachable cables, so that's a plus. Here we have the stand. It feels pretty sturdy, but it feels cheap. It feels plasticky, but for your phones, this is gonna do an amazing job, and it's pretty sturdy. I don't see this breaking anytime soon. Has a ball mount like that, and it also comes with the cradle, where you can just twist this knob to tighten it and to untighten it, and then there's also a knob at the back. And remember I was telling you that you could use this for your TikToks? Well, because it can do this. Can it do that? You can put your phones vertically with this. It's pretty windy out here. It's so cold actually, that's why we got off the shore. But just like that, you have it on there. It comes with this leatherette pouch that's actually really soft and really nice. And for 50 bucks with everything, with the soft shell and with this, I don't know, dude, that's pretty soft. I can probably sleep on this. Not that it's a good idea, but hey, let's open it. And in the pouch, comes with a dead cat. It's not a literal dead cat, but it's called the dead cat. It helps when it's windy like this. This is why I brought you to the beach. And then inside comes with this shock mount. It's not as bouncy as the shock mount that comes with the Rode Video Micro, but it's pretty sturdy. I guess it'll work. And then right here, we have the microphone, which is the Vitopal VM-i2. And then made in China. It's not that big of a deal. I mean, like, our iPhones are made in China, so the quality on this thing is metal. It's kind of like what I'm using right now is the DADV mic D2 Pro, D3 Pro. That's metal, but that cost me 280 bucks, and this only costs 50 bucks with all of these. And so for it to be metal, that's a plus. Yeah, right there. Oh, and by the way, the kit doesn't come with this, so if you're using an iPhone, you're gonna need to find your older iPhone boxes that came with these, because otherwise you'll have to buy it for, I guess, it's only like 7 bucks, so it's not that crazy. Just one note that I noticed. All right, so we're gonna use it with our phone, so we're gonna use it with the one that's labeled for your smartphones. It comes with a cold shoe, so that's really nice. We're gonna plug the cable in with the dongle that comes with your iPhones. Plug that in. Actually, before we connect anything, I'm just gonna record a sample test with my iPhone, with it bare, just handheld, with the built-in mic on it. All right, so I made a mistake and I didn't plug the dongle all the way into my phone. It's not the microphone's fault, it was the user's fault. And I didn't want to be that YouTuber who just leaves it as is. And so I'm gonna have to redo this whole testing, but I'll just put it on top of this current thing that we're watching. Sorry, won't happen again. I'm just an amateur. Alright, so this is how it sounds like with just the built-in microphone, and I purposely put myself here right by the road so you can hear. What do you care? You see, this is why you need to use this microphone, so you can hear a little bit less of these idiots. I mean, oh my gosh. Let's put this microphone on. Oh my. All right, that's what that sounds like. And then we'll put this on the cradle. You just tighten it up. And then we're gonna plug it into our lightning cable. And then what's cool about this tabletop tripod is that it has a ball mount, and also you can do this. So you can hand hold it. And not only that, if you open it up like that, so you see how it's pretty off the ground, so it's pretty tall, but there's another setting. You can turn this knob and then the ridge gets bigger, and so the legs open wider and it's more sturdy and it's lower on the ground. That's pretty sick, I think. And then we're gonna do a test vlog. And now this is what it looks like and what it sounds like when I have the phone mounted on the Vitopal VM-i2 and have you probably still hear.
How are you still filming, bro?
Anyways, you probably still hear the background. Like these idiots over here. Oh my gosh, what the heck these guys scare. But if you turn around, you can probably hear less of them. And so, hey, just for that, even if it doesn't sound better, it still sounds better technically because you're not hearing the background noise. And by the way, don't worry guys, these are my homies. We just did it for the video. Hey.
We got you, boys. Oh, we ain't
Anyway,
here,
and then now we're gonna get on the skateboard and try vlogging with the back camera, because if you didn't know, the back camera actually looks better than the front camera. Hopefully it sounds better. And in any case that this doesn't sound better than the built-in mic, I'm pretty sure you can still take advantage of this for when it's windy or for when it's noisy outside. I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty sick. This is a sick kit that you could use for your Zoom meeting. So let's say you're out on the beach. I don't know why you would do a Zoom meeting on the beach, but hey, if you're into that, you can do it. But another thing that you could take advantage with this one is you could use your wide angle lens, which is really sick for vlogging. Don't you agree? Yeah, you see? The camera woman agrees. Thanks, by the way. Shout out to my girlfriend for keeping up for my weird activities. So now we're gonna use the back camera, because if you didn't know, your back camera is actually a lot better than your front-facing camera. So we're gonna do that. But a quick tip, instead of flipping your phone over, you can just take off your mic, because this is a lot easier to do. You see how I had to finagle with this knob earlier, but you can just do that. See? Quick tips. All right, so now we're gonna use the back camera. I'm gonna switch it over, and then you see how that looks so much better already. And then the wide angle, you can kind of catch the microphone. So what you can do is like maybe angle it up a little bit. Or if you don't mind that, then, well, I guess you don't mind it.
If you guys are trying to start a YouTube channel, but you guys are in a budget and you guys only have your iPhone 11 or iPhone 12, I would just stick to your iPhone and get a mic that comes with a stand, and you guys should be good. So make sure to follow me on Instagram and follow me on YouTube, all right? Jerry Shoots, see ya.
And it's really easy to hold it. It's not as awkward as holding like a giant DSLR. And you always have your phone, and it comes with a pouch, so you could bring it pretty much anywhere. Just leave it in your car or in your backpack. I think it's pretty cool, and yeah. All right, so what do I think? I think for 50 bucks, you're getting a really good deal, and you get this whole kit, and you get a tripod, you get a cradle, and you get a microphone, both for your iPhone and for your cameras. Hey, what's up, doggy? He wants to be in the video, so hey. Anyways, for 50 bucks, this is a really sick deal. And if you're just starting out your YouTube channel, or you just want a better audio for your Zoom meetings, this is a really cool one. To be honest, our phones are actually some of the best cameras that we have in today's market, and you already probably have it. So getting the kit is only gonna make it better. Anyways, I have this item linked down below. It's gonna be an affiliate link, but it's not gonna cost you any extra, and it'll help this channel keep moving forward. And help me get a cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching today's video. It's been Al Caldejon, and let's get better together. All right, you're not getting this, okay? Bye.